releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Vlog world. So I'm there. I'm sick. Vlog world. I'm very much sick. Well, first I have gas, so I made a tear off. But in spite of that, it's a beautiful day. It's Saturday. Give God thanks to rise today. Yeah. So I'm really doing much today, guys. I just want to chat to you guys a little bit. And plus I have a broken tooth. A wisdom tooth. I did there for a while. And I'm here. Yeah, I need to get rid of that. But the nigga lazy. I need to sort that out. But me there. Vlog world. I go to Jamaica juice now. And I go get some juice. Well, some juice will build up my immune system. And give me some energy, cause I have a belly ache since week and thing. I wonder why. And so me there. Only thing flop out today. Guys, I don't want to stream Friday. Come in well exhausted. My regular work is entertainment too. Separate apart from this. Event done crazy late. Might not be able to stream on Monday too, guys, but my try and see if I can stream tonight, which is Saturday. Catch up back on some time, is it. Yeah, guys, I know enough people not really rolling on the stream them like one time, and I apologize for that, guys. And me alone, I try my best. JD's here the film part too. And everybody else in the team kinda well busy. We have real life, and me have to something there. Me have to go up on the road, look the money in the streets, guys, for pay the bills. Cause if you not go up on the street, the bills can't pay. And if the bills can't pay, sinus game not gonna exist. You see it, so can't really just lock up in at the studio and just have stream every day. So I have to vlog too. I have to go out there, I have to film the thing them. We have to get the views them. We have to display our talent so people see it and then book we. And we can't too focus on YouTube alone for feed we, you see it. Because if we do that, we going dead for hungry. Especially in Jamaica. Enough people don't know enough things about YouTube in Jamaica. We ain't even getting the true money that we're supposed to get, because online marketing is like probably 1%, probably 2% in Jamaica. That's how bad the market is. And where a regular person get a $2, $3 per 1,000 views, we get like 50 cents. I'm not even here to lecture about no YouTube thing, but no, so we have to go road and thing. I just want to give you guys a quick, you know what I mean, thing and thing about this. So on my day of vlog world, we supposed to go Protege today, Protege live, but them thing they never work out. I never want a complimentary regular ticket, guys, cause money go shoot, get a good shoot, you know what I mean? Jamaica have something tonight at downtown. I don't know, maybe I go that. Hopefully I can get a discount ticket or something. Is it? Because I have to pay my money. I pay my money team so we can touch the road, so we can get content, so we can show people around the world how we do in Jamaica. But make we see how I feel and thing and so on so and forth. But that's my little 1 and 2 cent vlog world for me couldn't know. Say the thing too soon lit and so got start 100% consistent, cause I'm gonna leave my job that I want telling you still to do all of this full time, you know what I mean, entertainment wise, you know what I mean. This is gonna be my last week working a 9 to 5. I'm gonna go get involved and going on my entertainment thing fully. So just to those who want to walk with you know, chat with you a bit and make you know. But anyway, I'm there. I'm gonna go and pray for you. Pray for the team. Cause I'm gonna see me all over the place, all over Jamaica. Did you show them making the moves? Yo, my baby, we so forward, that's it. You know, don't know some be at my place. Yo, Jody, Shirley, Abby, First Dance Studio, Auntie Andrea, Shirley, Tia, all the peeps, them coach. Remember that nothing can stop us, because God our rock. Look to the sun, no man. Whoop! World, so my there. Sunday, yeah, my head chamba. I just not too long wake up. Feel a little bit tired, but my teeth still hurt. My guys need to start it out and go to the dentist. Is it? And just get this over with and thing. I lazy. But yeah, man, on to bigger and better thing, Team Sinus. So, I have a situation here and I just want to get it off of my chest. Can't bother. I want to answer me too. Maybe me an idiot. So, I have a friend, right? I know for a long time I was cool and thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, we like each other straight up, but yeah, we was a par and them thing me and we have a thing, you know what I mean? We're not together, but yeah, you see it. You know, they had the friend gone away and gone go further education and thing. Me, if you know me quite well, I'm all about personal development and thing. You know what I mean? But here are one thing with me now. I don't like. I never not draw this out. I just go straight to the point. Here what basically happen now, Team Sinus. I realized from the other day, late last year, like October them time there, whenever I call, we always call one another and talk to one another. Pray, build up one another. You know what I mean? Be there for one another. Because I know for a very long time, right? Very long time. I have that bond. You know, go out together, all over the place. Go eat dinner, go movies, go beach, you know, etc. I realize, say, yo, like October, them thing there, from them time, I realize, say, when I call her, I try to reach her, or what, or I message her. Nah, get her. So I say, yo. Say, sure you're good? And, yeah man, I'm okay. Conversations them well short. Me is a smart man, you know what I mean? I know enough things, you know what I mean? As I say, I want to help me out with this. Conversation them short, and I has a message, and I say, yo, what go on? Some call next time and I get you. Send a message all couple days. Like 1 and 2 days. Just get a response. So I say, alright, cool. I know her things stay. I understand her personality. Maybe she under some pressure. So I go so boom and I give her some space. I'm going to come back again one next time. And I wonder 1 month or 2 months and them thing there, you know what I mean? I realize it even double change up now. Especially when I'm gone. Or I'm dead on a mobile. You know what I mean? And so, but I never want to looking at things too deep. You know what I mean? So, the day when I do the vlog now, when I shoot the Spice performance, yo, I just send a message and I say, yo, you sure something not wrong with me and you? Sure you not vex with me or something? Come here, message you and talk to you. I'm not hear back from you. Nothing. So I say, yo, I want to go on. says no, it's not me and all them stuff there. You know? So I say, alright, boom, I go home. I bust a one prayer on my daddy and like God revealed to me. You know what I mean? Because God always talk to me and him have that relationship and him discern and tell me what I want at that moment. Maybe, you know what I mean? Something come to me. And she tell me, say, alright. After I explain to her, she say, yeah. She been overwhelmed and thing and boy, I have a good spirit and thing. But the funny thing is we used to talk about things and we pray about things and all a reason about things. But here's one thing I never like about her personality. Yo, or well, woman. May I tell you, and this is the next reason why I not trust them more time star. Them things I make me pre them. You see? I can't try to figure you out and read you. Every minute, yo, you have to learn to open up your mouth. I can't sit down and rest my mind on it because I care about you. I try to figure out what you want or what wrong with you. Yo, man of God, I can't do them things there. You see it? And I not gonna ask God to discern more time. I just love things as it is. Means a cool youth. Alright. Supposed to do something for her too. Very important. I not tell no lie. Maybe there is a big delay. Something come up. My mother have to do surgery and all them things there. It enough things kinda shift up. You know what I mean? That never, but me as a man, if I take long, I go honor my word. Boom, bang, bang, bang. So I go so boom and I give more space now. Because I say, alright, I'll go through this and go through that. But I still send messages and so on. So even the other day she tell me, yeah, she went one hiking and thing. I say, alright, cool, yeah, bang, bang, bang. And I still send some nice messages and just encourage her as always. But I realize when I call, it just not answer you the phone. So I send her a message this morning again. And she say it's nice. And thing. The freestyle a thing, you know. She get the message and she tell me say something wrong with her mother. Mom was in the hospital. I call her mom my mom. You know what I mean? And thing out of respect, cause some stay. And but I sleep, so I see the message later. I just say, what? I'm saying, cool, I'm not fret her nothing. Because she say her mother, alright. I'm ta 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 ta. Send a message, I'm say, yo, I'm call. Because I'm aware, so she don't move away like that. I'm say, yo, whatever is whatever, I take the risk. I call, I not get you. You know what I mean? Just like all the other times when I notice from October or, you know what I mean? Them time there, I not get you. You're there online and I send a message, so I call you. Yo, anybody with sense like myself, if you watch and pray somebody, and you realize, say, them a behave so. What that mean? What that mean, vlog world? Because me as a man, I like run back at people. You know what I mean? The only thing that probably I said to me, say, yo, you don't want to deal with me no more. You know what I mean? Or you don't want to chat to me no more. When you explain and, you see, if you are my friend and I care about you, care about you, I may reach out to you and I notice certain things. I kind of reach a place in my life where it's a man who just love you alone to make you be happy. I don't want to be nobody thorn. I don't want to be nobody parasite or anything like that. I don't want to be no roach in nobody else. You know what I mean? And me as a man, yo, one of my church people, them always tell me, say, yo, you must go where you're celebrated. Not only where you're tolerated. And that's the reason why I left my workplace, because I'm not even celebrated there. You know what I mean? So you see, anyway where you're not celebrated and only tolerated, I know your place that. And when it comes on to friends and people whom you care about And me alone, I do everything and reach out. And me watch you. Me's a man, me just fire one warning shot. And after that, me just, I eat that, me just disappear like Casper. You know what I mean? Cause, me not in the foolishness and the styling thing and me feel like a idiot or me run back a yard, the clown thing. Yo, man a king. I'm the spirit of a king. Me not have no time for them thing there. But anyway, vlogger, you make me know that any man in any situation now, for example, if a man a pray, if you look a girl right now, or if a girl a look a man right now, or if you're in a close friendship, or you see a girl where you like, or something, or you talk to one of your friend them or something, and you pick up them right there. What you wanna do? I wanna answer that down there, because right now, me not have time for the foolishness, because me as a man, me just delete number, you know, because more time I prefer change my number, you know, because real meds, I feel 99% of the people in my life, vlog world, I use that. Them go show up more when them want things. And that is the reason why me cut off enough people. You see it? But anyway, vlog world, wanna make me know what I think, boy. You see it? Journey with your boy. Whoop! I mean, and foolishness. Yeah, yo.
If a girl want one, do it. One girl gone, get another quick. Don't raise no alarm, chirp. Clean every day for your silly skirt.